Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install DBeaver inside the Linux operating system. So in Google search box right there, DBeaver, then go on this DBeaver IO site. So let's click on this site. From there you can download the software. So there you can get DBeaver Community and the Pro. So Community, this is free, and this all feature you can get that. So let's click on this download. And now if you scroll down, here you can see this is Debian RPM package. So if you are using Go, Red Hat, Fedora, SUSE, then you should use their RPM, Debian for Ubuntu and others. So let's use their RPM package. So here you can see the file is now downloading. DBeaver C as stable version. This is for 64-bit operating system RPM file. The size is 127 MB. And here you can also get for Mac, Windows and Eclipse plugin, and here you can get this. So let's click on this so in folder. Now right click there, select this all and open the terminal this place. Thereafter paste all this all name. There you need to write the command sudo dnf install DBeaver. Press enter. So this are detected there and write by press enter. So here preparing and installing this DBeaver. The latest version is 25. Now this install there. If you go on this activity, so application, then you can get here DBeaver C. Click this. So this is now opening. And this is the ID of the DBeaver. So don't share data. Let's click on this confirm. We want to create sample, not now. Then after here you can create the connection. So you have this list of connection, you can do that. Let's use the Postgres and here localhost. So database this is, let's give your username. Giving the username and the password. Thereafter, simply need to click on this test connection. Some download process is going on there. That is downloading some driver. So okay, there is the problem with the user. Let's give here a small letter. Now click on this test connection. This is succeeded, connected. And now let's click on this finish. So here this is database Postgres. Here you can see. After that you can perform create any kind of query there. So this is the most simplest way we can install this DBeaver inside the Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.